Shalom, Saints. Today we made a Fruits of the Spirit necklace. While making the necklace, we read Galatians 5. We had discussions of how we operate in and out of the fruits of the Spirit. Check out the description below for the link to this activity. Please like, subscribe, and share. Bless you, Israel.
These are the fruits of the Spirit. It's what we all must embrace. These are the fruits of the Spirit. In our hearts we must place love, joy, and peace.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Patience, kindness, and goodness.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Faithfulness, meekness.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Temperance. These are the fruits of the Spirit. It's what we all must embrace. These are the fruits of the Spirit. In our hearts we must place love, joy, and peace.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Patience, kindness, and goodness.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Faithfulness, meekness.
Fruits of the Spirit.
Temperance.
Be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another.
We're talking about love, joy, peace, and patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Check your fruit. Yay!
Check your fruit.
Please hold. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Against such things there is no law. Galatians 5:22 through 23.
Help. Check your fruit. We got to check our fruit every day. Yay!
I bestow upon myself the fruits of the Spirit.
I cursed mine.
You like it on your head?
He got a headband.
Oh, you can have it as an iPad.
Check your fruit. Yay!